Good morning students, how are you all? My name is Dhara Kapadia from Innovative School Rajkot. In previous video we seen supplementary lesson 1, the triumph of victory, and I hope you enjoyed that story, you enjoyed that summary. Now I'm going to start with chapter number 2, the thief story. This is written by Ruskin Bond. Now in previous standard also we learned so many lessons of Ruskin Bond. He is very creative and interesting person. In each and every story there is some lessons, some message behind it. So in this story also, the thief's story, we learned so many things, because Ruskin Bond write that kind of novel, that kind of short stories which is moral based, value based. So properly we are talking about this chapter. In this chapter there is main two characters. The one is Anil, which is very innocent person, and the second is Hari Singh, the thief. In this chapter, the thief Hari Singh himself is the narrator of the chapter. He is very trained thief in his time, and he is very young. In the very young age, he is thief. So this is showing some additional part of the chapter. This is showing some extra thing in this chapter. Now Mr. Hari Singh is very smart to how to deliver, how to speak in front of anybody. He is very smart in face reading also. He is good in taking the decision also. Even he is very smart that he is able to select a person, from that he can get the money, he can stolen the money. So here one character Anil, he is very innocent person, and he is sitting in one of the street restaurant, right, and he is having something. So Hari Singh, this character, the thief, want to talk with him. He is talking about the wrestling, right? Even he is telling that Anil is looking like a wrestler. Actually he is not looking like a wrestler, because he is very thin and young man, right? So Anil came to understand that he is not right, and in reply what Anil told, that even Hari Singh is also looking very wrestler person. And Hari Singh came to know, because even he is also thin. Now what happened? See, the story is going very curious way. Anil is going from there, right? And Hari Singh, this thief, want to talk with him more. Because after all, what was his main motive? To stolen some money from him. He want to talk with Anil that he wants some work, he want to earn some money for him. But Anil is not that much capable to give him any kind of job, right? After all, after a big discussion going on, at the end of the decision, what was the conclusion, what was the result? That Hari Singh, the thief, convinced Anil to give him to feed him, to give some food instead of to making food. But here Hari Singh, the thief, didn't knew about the making food. He don't know any kind of recipe, even he never ever makes any food. But then also he convinced Anil that he will make the food for him, and in place of that he will feed him. So in the evening time, in the supper time, this Hari Singh, the thief, made the food, but it was so ugly, it was very bad, that Anil gave that food to the street dog. And afterwards he told that is fired. He is not working with him anymore. But Hari Singh's motive was not that. He want to steal the money. So what he did, he gave him a very anxious, a very beautiful smile in front of Anil, and want to convince him. And finally Anil convinced, and in front of that, what he replied, that he will make him to learn to cook Even he will learn to write, to read, to write big sentences, to write his name. So this was very advantage for him. Even he learned more things, right? And here Hari Singh what he thought, that if he learn, if he will able to write anything, so whatever achievement he planned, whatever the thief, whatever the things he planned, he can easily achieve. So he can do easy doing his thief work. So what happened then? Then Anil learned so many things, and for that Hari Singh taken the advantage. In place of that, what Hari Singh did, Hari Singh every day he has to go market and to buy supplies. Supplies mean he has to buy the everyday whatever the necessary things he has to need, he has to buy it. And every day he save 1 rupees. So after at the end of the month, 30 rupees he collected for himself. But this was not enough for Hari Singh. He has to steal more money. But he want to gain trust from the Anil. And after what happened, Anil, whatever he gained, the money he gained from the selling the book. Then he given rent money, and afterwards he taken the money from the others. This way he earned the money. And after whatever the amount he earned, what he did, he spent that money with their friends. He was not doing very important thing for that. So here Hari Singh, the one day what happened, this Anil sent a book to the publisher and got some amount of money. And when coming home, he shown that some money he earned today. Now Hari Singh planned to steal that money that night, because after all he knew that if he will not steal that money, this Anil what he will do, the next day he will do the party and he will enjoy with his friends, and whatever the savings is there, whatever the money he earned, he will waste it like this way, right? Then what happened, that night Hari Singh planned to steal this money, and he planned that at 10:30 Lucknow Express is there, so he will catch that train. So at night Anil was sleeping, and that bundle of notes was under his carpet. So what he did, Hari Singh slowly come near to Anil, and he put his hand under that carpet and take that money from there and ran. He started running, and then he stopped, he counted the money, and quickly he reached the railway station. While he counted the money, it was 600 rupees and 50 rupees note. So he is thinking that he is like an Arab who is very rich for few months, right? So he is very happy to have this kind of money. This amount of money is very happy, because he never seen that much money after stolen. So he reached the Lucknow Express. This train was just moving, and he was able to put himself in one of the carriage. So he quickly ran and started going inside. At that time, something stopped him from inner side, and he getting down from the carriage. At that time, the train ran away, and the platform was alone. He was alone in that platform. There was nobody in that platform. And that time what he is thinking, that he is breaking the trust of Anil. He has to go back, but he can't, because it already break the trust. He planned to go some nearby hotel also, but after that somebody will not that much given him the trust, right? So then what happened? That Anil went back to the market and he went to some Maidan, some ground, and at that time the rain came, the drizzle came, and then the heavy rain came. So again he ran fast and he reached to the clock tower of that city where the shelter was there. But during that time, that notes, the monies were become very wet, and at that time he thought that he has to go back, he has to return that money, and he has to live with Anil only, because he has to learn the whole sentences also during that time. So if he left Anil, then he is not able to learn at least, because in future purpose he has to learn, then only he can do big stolen things, right? Then he back to the Anil's home, and again he put that money inside that carpet and he slept. And the next morning he wake up and seen that there is not a single expression on Anil's face. After all, Anil came to know that the money was stolen, because that money, that notes were very wet. So in the morning when he seen that money, it was wet, he easily came to know that what happened at that night. But after all, he was not able to won the trust from the Hari Singh, right? Here we end up the story. So from this story we learn that these two characters, Anil and Hari Singh, if we are looking about the Hari Singh, he is a thief, he is a negative person, and in front of that Anil is a very good person, he is a very kind-hearted person, and he can easily trust anybody. So which kind of character we have to make ourselves, that we have to decide. We want to be Anil or we want to be Hari Singh. Because if we are trusting somebody, then somebody or somehow some will help us. But if we are doing bad things, if we are stolen something, then God will never help us. He is looking at each and everything. So whatever we have to decide, which will help us our inner health also. So here we end up the chapter, right? And from this story, the Ruskin Bond want to serve a message that we have to do good things only. We have to learn more things which is not greedy, which is not negative things, right? Because here we can see Hari Singh is very good, he is very smart in stolen things. Even in this chapter he is told that if the greedy person, if he is stolen money from the greedy person, then the greedy person will become very unhappy. If he is stolen money from the rich person, he become very angry. But if he is stolen the money from the poor person, then what the poor person will do, he'll accept the thing and he'll move forward. So here this is showing that if we are a very normal person, right, then we have to accept such things and move forward for our life. So this is the message from this chapter. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.